Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing these beautiful Born Pretty cat eye gel polishes. They sent them to me, so thank you Born Pretty. If you have been wondering whether Born Pretty polishes are actually worth it, keep watching because I'm testing them now and giving you my honest thoughts. Grab a snack, get comfy, and let's do some nails together. This 5D sculpting gel, I'm gonna be using it on the next nail set. Next, I'm gonna be prepping the nail tips for the press-on nail set that I'm creating today, and I'm using these soft gel tips that I purchased on Shein. They're actually not bad quality. Today I'm gonna be buffing the shine from the nail tips. I'm using my dust collector, which I love. It saves me so much mess, to be honest. I just love to have this. As well, I have my glove and a mask if I have to. Safety first, always. So right now I'm just gonna be buffing the shine from the nail tips, and this is gonna get the nails ready for the gel polish application. Sometimes I use a primer, but my primer is very old right now. It's at the bottom of the bottle and it has some particles in there. It looks like dirt and I don't like that transferring to my nails. That's why I'm buffing the nail tips. And I'm gonna continue with base gel. Sometimes, depending on the nail tips that I'm working with, I use base gel or I skipped it. Depends. If the nails are too thin, I prefer to add the extra layer of base gel, and today I'm using this base gel from the brand HEMA, and I'm gonna be curing this for a total of 60 seconds under my UV LED lamp. While we're doing the base gel, let me tell you about the most traumatic nail moment of my life. So one time I spent 3 hours doing the most perfect set. I'm talking flawless shape, crisp French tips, top coat shining like a glass, guys. I was feeling it. And so I finished. I cured, I admired them, and then I decided to clean my desk. Why did I do that? I grabbed the acetone bottle and somehow I knocked it over. Tell me why it spills directly onto my hand, directly onto the nails. I just sat there in silence, watching my hard work melt. The top coat started to wrinkle, the design started smearing, the shine gone. 3 hours of work erased in 30 seconds. I didn't cry. I just stared at my hand like, wow. Moral of the story, always close your acetone bottle immediately. Okay, back to the nail set. I apply this beautiful nude from Born Pretty, 2 layers, I cure each layer for 60 seconds. And what I'm doing now is removing the shine from the gel polish. First I clean it with alcohol and now I'm buffing it slightly. I'm just creating a matte base for the chrome powder because I'm gonna be using black gel polish today for the chrome powder to attach, and I want to make sure that the rest of the chrome powder doesn't go anywhere, just on the black gel polish. And I start already applying the cat eye gel polishes, and on this nail there won't be any chrome, so I'm going directly with this beautiful color. And I'm applying an even layer. These magnetic gel polishes do need like a strong magnet. As you can see, this one is doing the job. It works very beautiful. Look at that, it's amazing. So once you're happy with the position of the magnet inside the gel polish, cure it right away. Otherwise it's going to move out of place and then you will have to restart the whole process. This is the black gel polish I'm using today for my chrome powder. It's a Ilsa. It's a very affordable brand actually, and it works very well for me. I cure it for about 30 to 60 seconds and the chrome powder just attaches very nicely. You can't, if you're using a different black gel polish, just give it a test it out and see how many seconds do you need to cure it to make sure that the chrome powder attaches well. Some people use as well specific gels that are meant for chrome powders, but black gel polish always work for me, so that's why I keep using it. So right now I'm just gonna be creating some random lines and see what happens here. I'm using this beautiful chrome powder from the brand Aimeli. I purchased this on Amazon. And I'm using this tool I purchased on Shein. It comes with multiple tiny sponges. I'm going to list it as well in my description down below, so check it out. And as you can see, it's a very nice combo, works very nicely. And the chrome powder, the excess chrome powder comes off easy. As you can see, buffing the nails is a very good technique for chrome powder. Okay, let me tell you, the day glitter almost end my nail career. So I'm doing this cute sparkly set. I grabbed my ultra fine glitter, the kind that gets everywhere if you even breathe near it. Why did I open it so aggressively? Tell me why the entire container just puff. Not spill, exploded. It was like a slow motion. Glitter in the air, glitter in my desk, glitter in my lap, glitter on my face. I swear, I inhale sparkle. And the worst part, it was the super fine glitter, the one that sticks to everything. I tried brushing it away, it multiplied. I wiped it with a paper towel. Now the paper towel was glittery. I look at my phone, glitter. My clothes, glitter. Somehow my elbow, glitter. For 3 days I was randomly sparkling. People probably thought that I was extra. And you know what's crazy? Months later, I still find random pieces of glitter on my desk. It never leaves. It just lives there now. So if you ever see glitter in my videos, it's not aesthetic, it is permanent. I'm just gonna continue applying the cat eye gel polishes here to all the nails, and I wanted to apply these metal pieces to the nails. So this one was like a little bit bigger on the side, but I managed to cut the extra pieces later on. But look how cute they look. They're so cute. I really like these nails today. They come out so nice. As well, to decorate the nails today, I'm using some stickers and some metal pieces that are meant for the hair, to decorate the hair, but I said, why not? It might look good on nails. And now I found a use for it, for these nails. As you can see, I'm just placing this in random places. Like I didn't have a plan today, it was all improvised. Okay, my final opinion on these beautiful cat eye gel polishes is that they are completely worth it. They are affordable, they are beautiful, they have multiple shades, and if you want to check different colors than the ones I have here on the video, check out the links in the description down below, and I'm going to leave as well my discount code for a 10% off. These gel polishes, if you never tried cat eye gel polish before, they are just very easy to use. All you need is a magnet and you can create so many things. They are just worth it, to be honest, very worth it. Like I mentioned before, they are just easy to use, they're affordable. Just check it out, guys, check it out. They're gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay guys, so I finished applying all the decoration. I apply the top coat, I cure it for 60 seconds and all that good stuff, and I'm going to take the nails off the stand and place the nails on a box for press-on nails, and this is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. You have a beautiful day, and if you have any stories while you're doing your nails, I would like to hear about it. Just leave it in the comments and we can laugh together or cry, who knows. Until the next one, bye bye.